Hello everyone. Now the kitchen sink, the drain has been stuck for a while. Alright, I think that's about enough water. That's a hell lot of water. So I don't know. Let me roll up my sleeves first. Hopefully this is going to work. Alright, this is filled, I would say. And then here I'll push this down really hard. And I'll turn on the disposal and remove the plug on the disposal side. 1, 2, 3. Still not working. Try it one more time. See? Maybe it worked. No? It's looking pretty good though. Whoa! Whoa, I don't know what's going on. Maybe the water went to the dishwasher? No, it didn't. Alright, try it one more time. So the water is somewhere now for sure, right? I don't know why it comes back up. This is so frustrating. Wow, something is broken. So I was wondering where the water went. Clearly the water level went down. So obviously, something probably in the wall bursted. So this is becoming pretty bad. See? This is the water. This is not a closed system. Every time I plunge, the water is gonna come out from the water gate, the air gap. All right, so I'll plunge. All right, since nothing worked, I pushed the water to the other side using garbage disposal, and then I'll scoop the water out. We still have some of these at home, so we'll just use it. I'm with a safety goggle, so make sure you have it. It says for kitchen drain. Since it's clogged, it says we should use 1 to 2 cups. Just pour that in and wait 15 minutes before flushing with hot water. So let's pour this in. I think I'm gonna use it all. I don't have a lot left anyway. Alright, I think I poured everything in. We've waited a long time with goggle on. I'm pouring some boiled water. It's really hot. Alright, let's see if it's good or not. Hot water. Let's go. Goggles on. So it is still clogged, so we'll just wait and see if, whatever that's blocking is gonna soften up a little bit later. Now it is still clogged. I think I'll remove the P-trap and then use the snake to open up the cloggage. This is the snake. So I wasn't able to, open up the P-traps or any of the pipes, so I'm going in from here. And I've been running this for a while. So just going in slow, a bit by a bit. I'm using a drill, so my hands will be free. I don't have to spin this on my, with my hands. It's a little bit easier with a drill. The snake never got blocked. It just went in and in and in. And I have been running this water for a while. Okay, now I think it's probably clogged. Okay, there you go. It's clogged again. Is it going down though? Not really, and here it's clogged as well. So I wonder where the snake is going. It goes in and in and in. And the water level is going down. Like it's going down because it's leaking from here, from here. So I ran the whole snake in and I got nothing but, quite a bit of hair. So I think if the blockage is more than 25 feet from our sink, then there's not much I can do. Alright, now last resort, we're opening up the P-trap. Alright, now this is loosened up. This P-trap is open too, so now if I open this up, the whole thing can be removed. So I'm gonna remove this part, including the P-trap, so I can go in from the back. Alright. Alright, so now it's open, the entire thing is down. It's actually quite simple. But what's very important is, as you can see, this is the snake. But it's really hard for you to run the snake and hit this over the P-trap all the way out. So I think don't do it that way. Just open it up. And if you screw up any of these, just go to Home Depot and buy new ones. There are like a lot of options, so don't worry too much. Worst case, call a plumber. So if you're thinking about calling a plumber already, just take things apart. That's my thinking, okay? Alright, so as expected, the P-trap is clean like nothing else. What's good is we can run the snake directly from here. It says we need to turn this really slowly, so don't use a drill, just yet. Maybe we should use a smaller thing to catch anything. Okay, that way we have more room to work. Alright, now it's a stop, right? So we can turn slowly. It still sounds like it's right there in the back. Oh, it does go in a little bit more now. Alright, let's turn it and see what happens. Where's the sound from? Yeah, we're getting it out. When you get it out, just pull it out. Turn it if you need it. Okay, this is smooth, so it's not curled up. See some hair. Nothing. I don't really see anything. It's out. Let's see. Oh, it does catch a lot of grease. Can you see it? Here. That's a lot of grease. Yep. You see? So this does work. Right in the middle, the thing is grease. The yellow thing. So, like, let's get it out and see. Ew. Yeah, so I think it's indeed clogged. Yeah, that part we know. Okay, so that's ew. Wow, it popped out. Did you see it? So it's clogged down there for sure. So we just need to work on it back and forth, for a few times until we get this stuff out. And this is telling me that it's loosened up, you know. Yeah, it's just like vegetables and stuff. The second time we went in, it pulled out a lot more stuff. So I think this is a patience game. You need to go in and out, you know, a few times. All right, it's backed up again. So we're not fixing it. You know, like we ran the snakes a few times. This is backing up all the way. I don't know to where. This is really bad. All right, so we're the professional, you know, is using power washer to wash it, you know, from the vent, the air vent on the roof. All right, so the plumber is washing it down, you know, with a power washer. So this is the ABS pipe from the kitchen faucet, and the connection is still on here. See the elbow connection, and so basically, the pipe, the elbow, broke off from here. So it's not even, you know, connection getting loose. It's just pipe breaking up. That's it. So finally we're done. It's like this now. So originally we dug up, this hole, and there's a joint broken right there. And then while fixing that elbow, the pipe here went loose. So we needed to dug this open, and then there's a three-way joint, like a T. That thing is entirely cracked, on multiple fronts. So we replaced that, and finally it's kind of okay, I guess. This home is really old, so who knows, where else is leaking, but this is all we can do, right? We fixed what appeared broken, and that's it. It's a long day. These guys are pretty good. And I don't even know how to fix the flooring. We'll see.